Today, I'm going to show you how to create a power icon in Figma using a super quick plugin method. If you've ever needed a clean power symbol for a UI design, a button, a dashboard, or just an interface mockup, this is one of the fastest ways to do it. You don't need to draw it manually, and you don't need any advanced shape tricks. We're just going to use Figma's plugin system and pull in the exact icon we need in seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the design canvas. You can do this on any frame or blank area where you want the icon to appear. Now look at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma lets you access extra tools, plugins, and widgets that can speed up your workflow. Once the menu opens, click Plugins and Widgets. This section gives you access to a huge library of add-ons that can help with icons, components, illustrations, and more. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most useful icon plugins in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of ready-made icons from different sets. After you see it in the results, click it and run the plugin. Once Iconify opens, you'll see a search field inside the plugin window. Click into that search bar and type power, then press enter. The plugin will search for power-related icons and display matching results. You'll usually see different styles available, so take a second to choose the one that fits your design best. Some may look more outlined, some more filled, and some may have a more modern UI feel. Once you find the power icon you want, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can place it exactly where you need it, just like any other object in Figma. After that, you can resize it, recolor it, and align it with the rest of your design to match your layout perfectly. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've created a power icon in Figma without having to build it from scratch. This method is especially useful when you're working fast, keeping your design consistent, or trying to build professional-looking UI screens more efficiently. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.